Welcome to another Daily Bite of Aviation. This Boeing 747 experienced an engine failure just as it commenced its takeoff roll in Miami, resulting in smoke and the takeoff being aborted. Strong winds caused this Emirates A380 to make a firm landing at London Heathrow. This Citation CJ4 executed a dramatic and challenging approach into Telluride Airport, Colorado. At London City Airport, the pilot of a brand new Airbus A220 made a wrong turn while taxiing to the runway, leading to the aircraft getting stuck on a taxiway it wasn't supposed to be on and requiring towing back to the apron.
He's gone the wrong turn in. He can't know. The A220 should be backtracking on the runway, and he hasn't. Oh, what are we going to do? They're going to tug it. They've got to tug it. There we go. Pushback is on. This is unusual, folks.
In Switzerland, this SAS A380 sprayed a significant amount of water upon landing at an airport. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe for more Daily Bites of Aviation.